For the middle of June, it's chilly. And this time of year is usually around Stanley Cup playoffs. And that's what we have for our Jersey swag of the day. I have a signed hockey puck from New Jersey's only Major League professional sports team, the New Jersey Devils. Now, this was autographed to me at least 15 years ago. But the unfortunate thing is, I don't know who is on this puck. Hey, New Jersey Devils, maybe you can help me? All right, turning back to our weather, it is cloudy, it is cool, it is damp, but that's really only for us here in the Garden State. Once you get further north, we have sunny skies. Look at our satellite. Anywhere north of I-78, like in Newark or getting out towards Sussex County, New Jersey, there's a good amount of sunshine around. Meanwhile, to our south, we have the thicker clouds and we have the rain too. And we even saw a little bit of rain at Cape May County Airport over in Lower Township. We saw 0.01 inches. Now, the cloud cover has had an impact on our temperatures. We are the cold spot for today. We're in the 60s, but as you go further to the north, we're in the 70s, and there's even a couple of 80s up in New England as well. And this is all from something called a Rex block. Here's a little Weather 101. A Rex block is when you have a high pressure system north of a low pressure system. And it doesn't happen all that often in meteorology here, but when it does, we get these strong easterly winds, and we're kind of in this tug of war between the high pressure and the low pressure system. And for today, well, we're pretty much split between the two. See, in Cape May, yes, we have some areas that will be wet as we go into today, tonight, and into tomorrow. But look at Stafford Township over at exit 63. Just a little bit of rain, mainly tonight into some parts of tomorrow. Today should be dry for you guys. Let's look at our future radar and you'll see just that. The rain bands try to make its way into South Jersey, but they really only get caught into parts of Cumberland and Cape May County as there's just too much dry air further to the north, closer to that high pressure system. So for today in Ocean County, we're talking about just a mostly cloudy sky and a dry day. Atlantic County, cloudy, but should be dry for the most part. Maybe a shower south of Route 40. It's not until you get to Cumberland and Cape May counties that we do introduce showers into our afternoon forecast. If you notice too, temperatures are a little bit cooler in Cape May and Cumberland County than places further to the north. So you're seeing sand report, not the best. The best thing I can tell you is that our UV index is low, and as a result, burn time is 45 minutes, but otherwise, just not the nicest day for the sand. Then for tonight, we'll have a cloudy sky. A shower will be possible at any point in time, but until about 4 a.m., it really should just be, again, in Cape May and Cumberland counties. It's not until after 4 a.m. that we get a solid band of some showers pushing through. That should be around until about 10 a.m. on our Thursday morning, and then we should be dry for the rest of the day. Perhaps there's a shower in western Cumberland, but for the most part, you are dry and good for outdoor activities. Notice temperatures, too, they bump up into the 70s. Then as we go into our weekend, our Father's Day weekend, our summer solstice weekend, we are going to be feeling summery. A warm front will be lifting north across the area, and that will unlock 80s, even a couple of 90s on the mainland. In terms of rain coverage, there will be some thunderstorms around. We'll show you our radar for the weekend. Notice how our morning is dry, but in the afternoon has showers and storms. The morning is dry again. Then we have showers and storms as we go into Saturday. But look at where those thunderstorms are. Primarily on the mainland. And as we look at our 7-day forecast, yes, we do have thunderstorms in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on the mainland, but we'll flip over to the shore where I believe it's going to be dry for our Father's Day weekend and should be a great weekend to be out on the beach. We'll flip back to the mainland 7-day forecast to show you how hot we do get. Look at what happens as we go into Monday. We should be at or even above 90 degrees. We'll take you back over to the shore. We have that nice cooling sea breeze. The thunderstorms will be back in the forecast everywhere, not just on the mainland, for Monday and Tuesday. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media. And coming up at 6:30 tonight, we are going to be talking more about the thunderstorm potential and break down those differences between the shore and the mainland.